Today we're going to talk about how to keep on top of a minimalist home. Hello, my name's Rachel. I do videos about decluttering, minimalism and my no spend year, and today we're going to talk about how to keep on top of a minimalist home so that it doesn't become cluttered again. So well done if you have managed to declutter your home and get it to where you want it to be. Here are some final tips to help you keep on top of everything so that you are able to keep your minimalist home as minimalist as you would like it to be, so that you can maintain it and maximise your time for other things. So here are 6 strategies you need to have in place to help keep on top of your minimalist home. My first tip is you need to keep decluttering regularly. This goes without saying that there is always going to be the opportunity for new things to come into your home, so you need to keep on top of it, and the only way you can do that is by regularly going through different areas of your home and decluttering. There are some key points when you can do that. At the end of each season you can do your clothing, and maybe once a week you find a small area to declutter so that you're keeping on top of things. Tip number 2 is to create really simple systems for organising your home. The simpler the better, the easier it will be to put things away and easier to find things. For example, know that you have one particular space in your home for cables. Know that you have one place to store your bills, so it's really easy to file them as soon as you get them. And in general, everything just has a home, so it's easy to find things and easy to put things away. That's how simple the system should be. So think about where you use the item and have it stored in that area. Tip number 3 is to meal plan and regularly use up food. So I always try and do this at least once a month. I will make sure that I've checked all my cupboards, and if there's anything that needs using up, I will do like maybe a week where I just try and use up things from the cupboards and make meals as much as possible from those items, and just buy the occasional item that goes with something to make it a meal. So get in the habit of regularly using up items from your cupboards. This is going to help you keep on top of the kitchen area so that you can make sure that you're not wasting any food and that you are utilising what you can. My 4th tip is to wash clothes on set days every week. So I always have set days that I will do washing. I don't try and leave it to the one day at the weekend where I am available. I try and wash things throughout the week, but they're on set days, so I know that I always put a wash on a Thursday, and that's usually one that includes PE kit for my son, so I know that it's ready by Monday. So I always try and spread out my washing so it's not all in one go, so I'm not trying to dry it all at once when it's quite difficult at the minute. Even though it's August, it's raining a lot in the UK, so trying to dry things is quite difficult. So if I do regular washing, I can dry things inside without too much issue. Tip number 5 is to consider what items I bring into my home. I always think carefully about what items I really need rather than what I want, and I think about things before I bring them into my home. I try and wait 30 days. I'll put it in my basket online and I will give myself that thinking time, and if I really still need it or need it by the end of that month, then that's when I can purchase it. And you also need to decide if it's a want or a need. So think about these items as you're purchasing, whether or not it's something that is really needed. And tip number 6 is to keep decor items really simple. Don't overcomplicate your spaces and keep your areas quite simplistic in styling so that it's really easy to maintain. So for example, in my bedroom, I don't have lots of extra pillows or cushions. I just have what I need rather than having loads of extra, because it's more items to have to store, to move around and to tidy. Keep it really simple. Same goes for decorations, maybe at Christmas time or birthdays. Try and keep your decorations really simplistic and really easy to put out and easy to put away, so that you're able to have really clean and tidy spaces. And with that, when you're thinking about how your spaces look within your home, try and keep counters, windowsills, etc. clear of clutter, so you're easily able to keep the countertops clean. That will make it easier to manage. So keep surfaces as much as possible clear of clutter. So there are 6 steps to ensure that you can keep on top of your minimalist home. They're ways of maintaining it so that you are regularly thinking about what it is you're bringing in, that you're keeping surfaces clear and tidy, so that you can have more energy and more time for other things that you want to do in your life. I shall be back for more videos on decluttering, minimalism and my no spend year very soon. Take care, bye.